Here, let me explain what is meant by the balance of copyright law. What is the balance of copyright law really about? Why is the deal that copyright law offers so vital to society? Alfred C. N. answers this question perfectly. He says, quote, "If too much art is reserved as private property through copyright, future would-be authors will find it impossible to create. Society will presumably suffer from the decreased production of creative works. Proper construction of our copyright law, therefore, depends on striking a socially acceptable balance between the interests of authors and the public," end quote. Thus, the balance of copyright law between the rights of the public, consumers, and the rights of authors, producers, notwithstanding, is not designed first and foremost to provide a special private benefit to copyright owners. The purpose of copyright law is to, quote, "promote the progress of science and useful arts," end quote. That is to say, to promote the advancement of society. In this way, copyright law motivates creators, authors, to produce new works. And this is what fuels the balance of copyright law. The Supreme Court has cemented this interpretation of the United States copyright law. In Sony Corp of America v. Universal City Studios, Inc., the Supreme Court affirmed that copyright law is designed primarily to benefit the public, and that the purpose of copyright law to promote progress in the sciences and useful arts, that is to say, to motivate creators, authors to produce new works, is what fuels the balance of copyright. From the Supreme Court, the monopoly privileges that Congress may authorize are neither unlimited nor primarily designed to provide a special private benefit. Rather, a limited grant is a means by which an important public purpose may be achieved. It is intended to motivate the creative activity of authors and inventors by the provision of a special reward, and to allow the public access to the products of their genius after the limited period of exclusive control has expired.